Well, I'm actively trying to pursue to get this thing down an actual track to get some physical numbers. But we got to fix a few things. Now, my local track is it's like a prep. They have standards apparently that don't meet mine. So, well, we gotta address this battery issue. By issue, I mean this. Apparently, this is a no-go for them. The dang thing ain't going anywhere, but apparently, that is not to their specifications. They want it secured with actual, like, 3/8 inch rod, and, so that's what we're gonna have to try to come up with, how to actually do that there. So let's take the battery out so we can see what the battery tray looks like, so that we can determine exactly how to go about getting it in there properly. Oh, that thing's heavy. Eventually that's going in the trunk, but that's a more in-depth project that I'm really looking for right now. There's where that went. Oh, and that connector. Oh, how about that? How do I... Okay. Well, I think I got an idea, though. That should work. Pretty good. Anyway. Yeah, that'll work. Maybe it's a little too much. Alright, perfect. Then I need that. Alright. And I need that's a start right there. Now I just need one more. I am sweating to death. It is hot out here. Let me show you what I got so far, though. So this is our piece that's going to be tying the battery down. And there's one of our L's that's going to go underneath that battery plate. Well, now that I got this hole drilled out to the size I need it, I'm just going to go and get a bigger drill bit and just kind of give her a little chamfer. It's really the detail orientation that defines whether or not a job's professional, right? Okay, I'm going to continue to, well, overheat and cook like a friggin' roasted pig, and I'll be back. Everything's getting wrapped in electrical tape because, because... Well, there we go. There she is. Got her all electrical taped up, and all the rods are electrical taped up. Because again, just less likely to, right. But, I mean, if that doesn't pass tech, I don't know what will. Alright? It has the 3/8 rod like they demanded. you know, it's perfect. But, you know, that's it for now, because I am literally probably 20 pounds less now, just through water weight, which is a good thing, but yeah, I'll catch you next time. Okay. All right. Yeah, it still runs. Okay. You gotta check that stuff once in a while. Okay. Now I'll catch you next time. Yeah, I'm just holding on to that. I'm sure I won't need it.